Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, September 11, 2022. Today's video is about One World Trade Center. One World Trade Center, seen here amongst the skyline of Lower Manhattan, is the main building of the rebuilt World Trade Center complex in New York City. It is the tallest building in the United States, the tallest in the Western Hemisphere, and the 7th tallest in the world. The supertall structure has the same name as the North Tower of the original World Trade Center, which was destroyed in the terrorist attacks of September 11, 2001. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.